I want to take you into Nigeria's aviation sector. In the last few years, we've seen huge investments in the aviation space, especially among private aviation operators. And CNBC Africa's Umu Ibrahim caught up with Thomas Flohr, is the founder and chairman of VistaJet, one of the world's fastest growing private aviation companies. And she started by asking how the private aviation business in Nigeria is doing right now.
First and foremost, Nigeria is certainly the most populous country in the African continent, and the business opportunities here are second to none. Also, the strategic location on the map of West Africa, kind of connecting Europe, America with the African continent, has absolute priority for us. And Abuja and Lagos are the major centers. I mean, Lagos is the major economic center, and the economy is growing.
Your thoughts about Nigeria's aviation space?
Well, it's certainly a market which is growing up very fast. The Nigerian market for business jet has been booming a lot over the last couple of years. If we came here about three and a half years ago, and there were 3 or 4 planes on the tarmac. Today we see 20, 30, 40 airplanes. However, I would say one thing. The African market is still served with too many old aircraft. And what VistaJet is about is we bring brand new aircraft to this market because we believe that's the best opportunity. So, like any entrepreneur, you would deploy your best assets to the best opportunity, and that's what we do see here in Nigeria.
So doing business in Nigeria, what kind of support are you getting from the government?
Well, we see a very open sky policy. I think the government has recognized that we are the leader in this industry, and they really support us to the extent that for us getting permits, for us to fly in and out of the country is certainly in full support with the government. We have a close relationship with the authorities, and I think the impeccable track record we have in terms of safety and safety standards and flying brand new aircraft under manufacturer warranty is supporting this investment. I mean, we're sitting on a $55 to $60 million aircraft, and you see 2 or 3 of those on the tarmac. We're looking at $150 million investment we're making into this marketplace, and that's well respected.
So why do you choose Nigeria to be a destination of doing business, and why now?
It was really through our African ambassador, Mr. Kolaluko, who was a customer of ours in Europe, who came to me and said, "Thomas, you've got to come to Nigeria." And I remember exactly 3 years ago in January, I was here, and I was very impressed with the business opportunities, and it clicked with me that this is a market which we should explore. I always wanted to be a first market mover, and today we have 35 aircraft, identical aircraft around the world. And if I look at Nigeria alone, last year in 2012, we had over 900 takeoffs. That's in average close to 3 takeoffs a day, and that's very significant. And we're very proud of that achievement, and we are proud to be so recognized in this marketplace.